My name is Tai. I am an amateur mathematician. I will prove that the Riemann hypothesis is unprovable using non-standard analysis. About Mobius function. The Mobius function is when a number is factorized. If there are 0 prime factors, it is 1. If there is 1 prime factor, it is -1. If there is even prime factors, it is 1. If there are odd prime factors in it, it is -1. mu1 equal 1. When it is divisible by the square of a prime number, such as 2 power 2, or 3 power 2, or 5 power 2, and so on, it is set to 0. mu1 equals 1. 1 is 0 prime factors. mu2 equals -1. 2 is only 1 prime factor. mu3 equals -1. 3 is only 1 prime factor. mu4 equals 0. 4 is divided by 2 power 2. mu5 equals -1. mu6 equals 1. 2 times 3 equals 6. 2 prime factors in it. mu7 equals -1. Distorted Mobius function is defined. I defined distorted Mobius function originally. Let mu7 equal -50. -50's minus is can be either positive or negative. Let's consider the case when 7 is a prime number. Let's calculate the distorted Mobius function. 1, -1, -1, 0, -1, 1. This is the sequence of the Mobius function up to 6. If the value at 7 is -50, then it should be 50 when n equals 14. And this is similar to multiplying the original Mobius function's value at 7 -1 by -1 to make 1 the value at 11. You can think of this as multiplying -50 by -1 of 2 times 7 to get 50. N equals 21. 3 times 7. -50 times -1 of 3 times 7. -50 times -1 equals -1 equals 50. -50 can be 50. So if it's -50 when n equals 14 and -50 when n equals 21, it will work. You can also confirm that no contradictions occur. Since the factor of 7 is only 1 and 7, the value from 2 to 6 are not affected. The factors from 7 to 14 and 21 is increased, so it works well. Mobius function version the sum up to 7, normal Mobius function case, equal -2. The sum up to 7, distorted Mobius function case, equal -51. Using non-standard analysis at infinity. Mobius function version of Riemann hypothesis is this. Absolute value of sigma mu n less than k m power 1 second plus epsilon. Using distorted Mobius function for non-standard analysis. Non-standard analysis in hypernatural number in non-standard analysis I use. Absolute value of sigma mu n less than k m power 1 second plus epsilon 0. Epsilon 0 is infinitesimal. Absolute value of sigma mu n larger than km power 1 second plus epsilon. Epsilon 0 is less than any positive number. So above sigma mu n less than km power 1 second plus epsilon and sigma mu n less than km power 1 second plus epsilon 0 is not same timing occur. And absolute value of sigma mu n less than km power 1 second plus epsilon 0 and absolute value of sigma mu n larger than km power 1 second plus epsilon. Using distorted Mobius function of sigma mu n from the prime numbers that jump to infinity to about twice the original prime number, the sum shifts by minus 50, so if adding minus 50. Here we take a hypernatural number that is allowed in non-standard analysis, which cannot be proven in the usual framework. It is different from the axiom system satisfied by non-standard analysis, in which infinity is naturally allowed. Non-standard analysis case, hypernatural number case axiom system different from real number or complex number, hypernatural number, natural number in ZFC. ZFC axiom system is different. And two models are consistent. But two models are consistent. Above two, middle two formula is Riemann hypothesis do not hold case. Last formula is the Riemann hypothesis hold case. Two models are consistent. Consistent means that there are constructions of consistent means that contradict each other formulas. And there exists real example in it. It is impossible to prove. The reason why I think at infinity, 1 over theta s equals mu1 over 1 power s plus mu2 over 2 power s. Theta s equals 1 over 1 power s plus 1 over 2 power s. And 1 over theta s times theta s equals 1. Please calculate yourselves. Fp, absolute value of Fp equals P power sigma. For real s larger than sigma plus epsilon prime. 1 over theta s equals limit P goes to infinity mu1 over 1 power s plus mu2 over 2 power s plus ... Fp power P power s. Fp over P power s equal absolute value of Fp equal P power sigma. Absolute value of P power s larger than P power sigma. So Fp over P power s, the absolute value less than P power epsilon prime. It goes to 0 if P goes to infinity. Above formula is the above equation. It corresponds to normal Mobius function. The equation below corresponds to the distorted Mobius function. Distorted Mobius function case is two cases. That is the changed point. Exactly. I confirm that it is cannot to prove. It's impossible to prove. This is where the new part comes in about the equivalence proposition of the Riemann hypothesis. Let's consider it using non-standard analysis. In non-standard analysis, theta s equals 0. Real part of s equals 1 over 1 second. Theta s plus epsilon 0 equals 0. Real part of s plus epsilon 0 not equal 1 second. Epsilon 0 is infinitesimal. This is used by theta s continuous condition. S plus epsilon 0 equal 0 is can be defined. Theta s equals 0. Sigma larger than 1 second. S equals sigma plus infinity I. This is infinity. This infinity is non-standard analysis allowed infinity is used. The condition corresponds to the first equation is in the middle of the slide two slides back. The next condition corresponds to the second equation in slide two slides back. normal mathematics is mistake. The theta s equals 0. Real part of s equals 1 second. This condition corresponds to the last equation in the slide 2 slides back. These conditions are critical. There are infinite 0 points right next to a 0 point. 0 point is 1 second on the line, 1 second, real part equal 1 second. There is infinitely many 0 points. It's right next to 0 point is 0 point. This is easy to calculate. It is impossible to prove in finite range. These cannot be eliminated by calculation. Riemann hypothesis is unprovable. This is a fatal example. Thank you for hearing my poor English. Thank you.